Hey, if you're into welding, and I know you are, then Friday, September the 1st, you're going to want to be at the Kentucky Welding Institute for the Inaugural Metal Works Expo. If you're a contractor looking to hire welders, that's where the welders are going to be on Friday, September 1st. If you're a student, then this is where you need to come to check out a job. Contractors, union and non-union alike, are going to be here looking to hire you into their workforce. While you're here, you can dive into the American Welding Society Careers in Welding Semi-Trailer and get your shot at a $1,000 AWS scholarship. In the meantime, you can weld with some of our golden arms and some of our instructors in the boiler. You can operate the crane, you can climb in the pipe rack. Lots of hands-on events. And how you going to pay for a welding school? Well, we got that covered too. So we're going to have financial experts here helping you check out those AWS section scholarships, how to fill out that micro works ethics scholarship, because you can get thousands of dollars from that. Your FAFSA, your Kentucky Career Center, those folks will be on hand to help you pay for your welding education. And if you're an instructor, well, guess what? It's Instructor Appreciation Day. So we've got you covered. You work hard all year long for your students, and we're going to reward you. For any instructor that comes, we got a $50 gift card with your name on it. And if you bring 15 or more students, we're going to double that to a $100 gift card. While your students are doing these cool things and checking out the job opportunities, we're going to have info sessions and educational deals so that you can maybe check out how to skin your 9-year CWI renewal. Or maybe you're a new instructor and you want to know the secret to passing that Part B of the CWI exam. So little info sessions like that throughout the day and different games and prizes. So we want to make this the best day ever for welders. So if you're a contractor, this is where welders are going to be. If you're a student, this is where you want to be. And if you're an instructor, you got to get your gang all out here on Friday, September the 1st for the Metal Works Expo at Kentucky Welding Institute.